flan. A flan.
Yeah.
Right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. First, we need eggs. 6 eggs. Let's see how she makes it.
Nomás no enseñes mi cara. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ew. That and this it's called milk and lechera for our flan. Yum. Now we need this. Come on. That took 10 hours. Okay, time to put it in.
Okay, cuidado, suerte.
Okay, next ingredient. Vanilla. Let's see.
What's up?
We're making flan. Let's see.
¿Esta sopa?
1 spoonful of vanilla.
And one of your face.
No. Okay. We'll put it in the blender.
No. Lo ponemos en el micro.
10 hours later. That was a long time.
Okay, vamos a prender el like what? Baker.
Okay, we're gonna turn on the baker.
No.
Wait, how much time? Whoa, look at that time. We're putting a little bit of sugar. So let's see, Mom, do it. So get a bowl or something. Okay, you have to first wash it. Okay, wash it. Okay.
Yeah, ¿viste esta sopa? Ajá, está rica. Y adivinen quién se lo va a acabar. No sé, ¿quién será? Tal vez. Samantha.
Stop it.
I can't. I'm so happy.
Okay, first we need to check if it's hot enough to put the sugar in. Okay, put 1 big full spoon. Think so? Is that Mom? Is that right? 2 actually. 2, yeah.
3?
No, yeah, 3.
No, 2.5.
Now we spinny. Okay, now we leave.
Until it burns.
Then we wait until it burns.
Boils.
Okay.
And
Boils.
then we can eat it.
And
Okay. Jumpy.
it's gonna take like a million years, so let's wait. Now you see how it's burning?
¿Estás viéndolo ahorita?
¿Qué le echo?
Pura azúcar. Se está quemando.
Look, it's burning. It's burning.
So we're gonna do...
It's melting. Yeah, it's
melting.
It's melting.
So we're gonna do...
Like flan with cake, kind of.
What I was gonna say? Pipitorias? No. No, and pipitorias don't mean es pipi y con torias.
She said pee-pee.
That's why pipi and torias.
Okay, now we're gonna have to wait a little
Because
bit.
that's how you do it.
Look at that sugar. Sugar, sugar.
Where,
Du-du-du-du-du-du. Oh, honey.
¿A poco todavía está ahí?
Yeah, the dog's still there. The dog's still there. Oh, look, now it's... Is it completely full? Can we melt it? A little bit more.
Ya está. It looks like
Mommy, about how long does it take to do this? It's fast. 10 minutes to make a flan. Yum, yum, yum.
A continuación se hace esto.
Yum, yum, yum. Now what?
Quita.
professional doing this. Pouring something in a bowl. Now we shake it so it gets like that. How it looks now. Okay, Nama, what's next?
Okay, I know his name. Echamos esa manta en la licuadora and la molemos.
Okay, now we pour it inside.
For like,
Now we need. Okay, now we pour. I think we need to let it dry for a little bit. But Emma,
let it give him a little had it.
we need to get. We need to let.
Ow!
Okay, now we pour it in. Yes, that's how it's gonna look like. My mom turned on the oven and forgot to take all the things out of it. Wow. 10 years later. Yum, yum, yum.
Me lo baño María.